Hey everybody, it's Rick, and today I'm going to show you how to load the OVA files that you can find on Cisco.com onto your VMware machine so we can have Instant-Connect in the UMS. So let's log into our VMware system, our server, and here we see it's completely empty. So the first thing we're going to do is say we're going to deploy an OVF template. Now we'll go to my hard drive and we'll find where I've carefully hidden my new Instant-Connect 4.10.2 files. And let's go through and let's start by installing the iPix 4.10.2 4CPU OVA. We'll click Next. We'll click Accept on the license agreement. You can read it if you like. And I like to change the name to include the version number and the number of CPUs. Now the gateways have 2 CPUs, so that's pretty easy. iPix 4.10.2, 4 CPU. I know it's a server, so we can clear that out. And when I install the rest of the OVAs, you'll see I'm going to truncate a lot of the video here so you don't have to watch a 15-minute video of me typing. I like thick provision eager zeroed. Not going to power those on after deployment. I like to manually do that later. And here we go. We're creating our first server. Now let's actually set up the UMS server. We're going to go crazy here. Now you can do these serially. You can do them one at a time. Or you can go absolutely nuts and do bunches of them at one time. Assuming you have a fast enough connection and a fast enough host that the system doesn't time out on you. We'll make this the UMS 4.10.2 server. It's a 2 CPU. And yeah, I just kind of like to lay my windows out here. Now the reporter is a huge file because it does take up and provision space on the hard drive for storing all the data that it's going to record. And this one actually takes longer than any of the other OVAs to install. So if you're not using the reporter, you can save yourself a lot of time. Here's the DFSI gateway. And we'll also do an ISSI gateway. I'm going to put them all on this machine because I'm going to use this machine in a lab. Here we go. They're all cooking away. And originally that reporter said it was going to take 132 minutes. So about an hour later, actually a little longer, we get around to things starting to complete. Now, once the reporter completes, the other processes will zoom along for the UMS and the iPix. And then I'll go and close those boxes and just leave the gateways. And we'll do the ISSI gateway and the DFSI gateway. Yes, time greatly shortened. And the DFSI. And you can see them appearing over here in the sidebar, ready to be activated. There you go. We're all done. All the OVAs are installed. Thanks.